Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm showing you 5 easy Halloween decoration. So let's start. Bottle. I printed pictures of spiders and then cut them out. Color and sponge. And glue. I take a small amount of color on the sponge and then dabbing it all over the bottle. Next, I'm gonna add those spiders in the bottle with some glue. Put a tea light in the bottle and the first one is ready. For the next one, we need some plastic balls, white cloth, color, thread, brush and scissor. First cover those balls in the cloth like the way I'm doing it. Then just tie the thread in this area. Drawing the eyes with some fabric color paint. To hang them, I'm just adding the threads. That's all. We need plastic glass, scissor, black paper and glue. Drawing the bat's wings in the paper and then I'm just gonna cut that out. I added those wings in the glass with some glue. Pour your favorite drink and your Batsy glass is ready. We need plastic balls, tea lights, googly eyes and a knife. I already stick those eyes on the ball with some glue. Cut the other side of the ball and next I'm going to put it on the tea light. We need Oreo biscuits, chocolate chips, cream, glass and a knife. And any biscuit. I already crushed the Oreos. If you don't have whipped cream, just use fresh cream. Add powdered milk and powdered sugar and some melted chocolate. This will do the job. The taste will be a bit different, but it will good. For the first layer, I'm adding crushed Oreos, then the cream. Again, I'm topping it with Oreos. Cut the biscuit in rectangular shape like this. Then I'm writing rest in peace with some chocolate sauce. And here the graveyard dessert. So here is my 5 Halloween decoration. If you enjoy the video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.